Faculty of Social Work and Human Development was born in 1947 at the Institute of Social Work at the Fernandez Lizardi School, located on the corner of Aramberri and Serafin Peña in Monterrey, Nuevo León, Mexico. In 1968, the bachelor degree in social work began in the present facilities. The faculty offers the undergraduate programs in social work and human development, which is accredited by the Accesiso, the CAS Level 1, and internationally certified by the ISO 9001-2008. It also offers 3 graduate programs: a Master in Sciences with an orientation to social work, a Master in Social Projects, and the Doctorate in Philosophy with major orientation in social work and comparative politics, compared to social well-being, certified by the SACS with a binational modality and double degree, both subscribed to the PNPC of CONACYT. The student registration in undergraduate programs is 1,156 students, and in graduate programs, it is 46 students. The faculty facilities are made up of 26 classrooms, a library with more than 20,000 volumes, an integral student attention help center, 2 video conference rooms, 2 systems rooms, 1 multi-purpose room, 1 teacher's room, 1 psychopedagogic center, and 2 large areas for administrative departments. The teaching staff is composed of 85 teachers, including 48 full-time professors, 41 with the ProMEP profile, and 13 subscribe to the National System of Researchers. The professors are organized into 5 academic departments, 2 consolidated, 2 in the process of consolidation, and 1 in development. The School of Social Work and Human Development confirms its social commitment to train competitive professionals who possess the required competencies to intervene professionally according to the social and work needs of a changing and globalized society.